The kind helper. It was a beautiful sunny day in the park. Sam and Alex were having fun playing football together. Suddenly, Sam noticed an old man near the park entrance. The old man was struggling to carry several heavy grocery bags all by himself. Sam and Alex looked at each other. They knew they had to help. Without thinking twice, they ran over to him. They smiled kindly and offered to carry the heavy bags. The old man was surprised, because he didn't expect anyone to stop and help. Sam and Alex each picked up some of the heavy bags, and the old man smiled with relief. Together, they walked through the park, chatting and laughing along the way. They walked all the way to the park exit, where a taxi was waiting. Sam and Alex carefully placed all the bags inside the taxi for the old man. The old man placed his hand on his heart and thanked them with the warmest smile. He got into the taxi, waving goodbye to his two kind helpers. As the taxi drove away, Sam and Alex smiled at each other proudly. They walked back into the park, their hearts full of happiness. A little kindness goes a long way.